Hello, it's Colin again at MNI Direct in Rock Hill. Today we have Hellebores. This variety is called Merlin. It's a part of the Hellebores Gold Collection. You can see these flowers right here are pretty much in full bloom. A lot of times this plant is called snow rose. Typically it'll bloom late winter into spring for us. Really nice if we get a snow and it's got some blooms on it. We did get snow this year, but kind of missed it on the bloom time with the hellebores. But this is a great perennial. It actually is evergreen, which means you get this nice foliage in the wintertime as well as the 3 other seasons. And then the flowers just kind of stick right up and have a downward face to them. Really nice kind of mauve color on the flowers with the yellow throat. These Lenten Rose can tend to be a little more expensive, but in my opinion, you get what you pay for. They're pretty tough as long as you don't let them sit in water, but they will continue to clump out over time, and it is an evergreen perennial, so it stays pretty much year-round and blooms when not a ton of other things are blooming. So this is Lenten Rose, Merlin. There's lots of varieties of Lenten Rose that we're able to get at MNI Direct in Rock Hill and our 3 other locations as well. So I would welcome y'all to ask your sales associate if they have any Lenten Rose in stock. Ooh. Every plant I talk about hates being wet. I don't know if you've noticed that. No, I quite like water.